Hey, this is Darrell Etherington. I'm here with TechCrunch on day 3 of Disrupt. And today in the Startup Alley, we've actually got Hardware Alley. So it's all the gadgets, the great stuff that I really love. So let's get right into it. Hello, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. What's your name?
Michael.
And what do we got here?
This is Bitponics, so it's hydroponic automation systems. So we have a web app that you tell it what you want to grow. So for instance, if you're growing tomatoes, and it tells you when you need to add nutrients, when you need to change the reservoir. It sends you text message and email notifications. And then it uses the device to monitor the environment of the hydroponic system, so measuring the pH, the EC, temperature, humidity levels, and sends all that data via your Wi-Fi network to the cloud, so you can monitor it in real time from anywhere, and then control the cycles of your lights and your pumps or anything else you need to control.
Amazing. So wait, just one question. Where's the weed? The weed is here.
It's below the table.
Okay. But is there like a setting for it? Do you guys have that? Or?
Well, basically, I mean, the grow plans are community driven. So basically, anyone can create a grow plan for their plant, and depending on what system they have, and share that grow plan with everyone else. So the idea is that the more users are using it, the more grow plans and types of things you'll be able to figure out how to grow.
Cool. So there's a crowdsourced aspect.
Yes.
Perfect. All right. Thanks very much. All right. Take a look. What have we got? What have we got here? What have we got? No, they're walking away. They don't want to be on camera. Here we go. What's is this? What have you got here?
Well, we're doing some home automation stuff. So we're basically plug and play because we use the cellular network, and we got
Use the cellular network.
Yeah, that's right. So
This is it right here.
yeah, this is it.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh my goodness.
that's it's just a prototype we've got here. So we got our platform, and then the thing is we got a mesh network working on it as well, so you can connect third-party components to it.
What, like a Philips Hue or something?
Like that would be right, or maybe like it's working like maybe blinders or how do you call this other things like door locks or stuff like that. So they'll just go through this hub and into our platform, so you can control everything over there.
Basically, the idea is that you have hands-on experience from the first time you just plug it in, because it has devices that you can actually control from this cube. It emulates an infrared control. For example, you can turn on and off air conditioning, TV, everything that has an infrared communication. So basically, you're doing a hub that, from the first time, it gives you some sort of control and gives you the idea of home automation. And later on, you can expand for other devices.
So what about this? Are they going to pulse in the final product? You're sticking with the pulsing go?
The pulsing, yeah, you can turn it off if you want to. The thing is, the pulse is, for example, you get a Twitter message, it can turn blue, or if tomorrow's gonna rain, it can go red. So the idea is it's also like a...
It's not just the hub, it's also...
Yeah, it gives you a notification system from practically any web service. So yeah, we connect the internet and give a physical representation on your house.
Perfect. So also I just want to point out, in case people are noticing this, we've got some chest hair sinking here.
Little hair, right?
Yeah, that's the way you do it. Thanks very much. All right, guys, take care. Okay, what have we got here? No one's here. Let's take a look. Oh, here we go. What's this stuff, guys?
Hey, how's it going? Right, what we have here is Scuba 3D. So it's 3D photos and videos for your iPhone. We have a case with a 3D viewer.
So this is something you put on? Okay.
Yeah. So you have the case. It's a lightweight case, so you can store it into the back of the phone. It just slides into place in the front like so. And then you're able to view 3D content on your phone.
So does the content have to be specially encoded?
Yeah, what you do is you can capture content via the app. You're able to take the photos via the app, so it's for the sliding motion. You just go right then left. And that captures the 2 images, makes it 3D. In addition to that, you can also import content. So for example, I'll just show you here. What you've got here then, you've got the video. You'll see the 3D effect. The 3D effect there.
Wait, so it's glasses free?
Yeah, you don't need 3D glasses. So you can import 3D content, you can capture your own. We also have the camera, which just connects on there. And then you've got...
That's so you don't have to do the gesture.
Exactly. That way you can take videos, you don't have to slide around.
So how do we get this? Can I buy this right now?
You can. It's available on our website, scubo3d.com, and also on Amazon as well.
Excellent. Well, thanks very much, guys.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's take a look over here. Oh, okay, here's what we got. This looks good. Whoa, 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 what is Are you in charge here?
Hey, yeah. So what we're doing today, we're launching the Micro Drone 2.0. So this is the next generation from the hit Sensation. So we launched this last year and sold thousands of units over Christmas. So this one's got a new 6-axis gyro. So you can do mid-air flips. So you can do 1, 2, 3 mid-air flip. You can actually fly around the room and glide it.
I don't know if Steve can track it. It's too fast.
Yeah.
Can you bring it back down closer to the? He's
Yeah.
lost it completely.
There you are.
So this is version 2, you said?
Yeah, this is Micro Drone 2.0.
How did version 1 do?
So yeah, it's basically we made it with
Did you sell well though?
yeah, we sold thousands, nearly 20,000 units over
How
Christmas.
much did this cost?
$100.
Really?
So there's a few major improvements with 2.0. So it's got a camera. So this is the camera version, and we're also opening the SDK later in the summer. So you can actually develop your own apps. And when we develop new hardware, you can have the Wi-Fi module. So you can have an iPhone controller, and a proximity sensors, and you can have object detection sensors, so you can fly it around and navigate through a maze. And
But it'll do that automatically, like without having to have user input.
yeah, so it'll be semi-autonomous flight. And we're also we're launching the Micro Drone 2.0 pre-orders for today, and we're also trying to do a Kickstarter campaign. So we're starting that later in the month, hopefully. And so we're just kind of getting ready and getting that all together, and yeah.
Excellent.
You actually throw this in the air and it'll stabilize. Do you want me to show you how it works?
Yes, I do. Can we get this wide?
So you can throw it up like that, and it'll stabilize on its own. And you can actually glide around the room like that.
It's making me a little nervous.
The cool thing about it is it's all modular,
Yeah.
so every part is interchangeable. So so you can actually change the CPU. So when we upgrade it with a Wi-Fi module or proximity sensor, you can buy that CPU and just screw it onto your chassis, and you'll be flying straight away.
So you don't have to buy a whole new model. You
Exactly,
just
yeah. And we'll also be releasing a whole load of hardware parts. So we'll have a camera, proximity sensors, and the object detection navigation. So these are all input straight into the CPU. So you can actually, you get those as accessories.
Very cool, very cool. Well, thanks very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay, sorry. Hey guys, how's it going? What have you got here?
We got actually.
Hey, are these binoculars attached to smartphones? Is that basically what we got?
Yeah, sorry. We make a mount that's universal that you're able to attach any type of smartphone to any type of optical scope. So you can use the optical scope as a telephoto lens.
Wait, what's this for? This is just for voyeurism, isn't it?
Actually, the guys at B&H said that they sell the most binoculars and telescopes in the nation, and it's probably to look at each
All
other.
for bird watching.
The neighbors, yeah, exactly. So you can do live video, you could crowdsource video and get amazing shots of different concerts, or you could do conferences. We have a medical application where doctors want to use this on their.
You guys build software too?
No. We just build the hardware. We're just hardware guys. Yeah.
Cool. So this can go. What have you got on here? What's the power on these?
16 times binocular, and it's looking up into the rafters there. So it's probably about a 600 millimeter lens when you paired with the 33 millimeter field of view from an iPhone.
Okay, great. So these are available right now. You can buy them?
We have it on Kickstarter right now. We reached our goal the other day, so we're fully funded now. But we still have 25 days to go, so we're looking forward.
Sky's the limit.
Yeah, sky's the limit.
Do
Exactly.
you have any? What do you call it? Stretch goals?
We're putting them on as we speak. Actually, it's been a big shock for us. This is our first project, and it's our first time doing anything like this, and the response has been phenomenal. So we're trying to put them up there. We're trying to make more binocular kits because everybody wants to know what kind of binoculars work well with it. We're also trying to do colors and any type of different features for people. But overwhelmingly, people want binocular kits and telescope kits and stuff like that.
Great. So lesson for all you entrepreneurs out there: the pervert crowd, highly motivated. Yeah. All right, this is Darrell. I'm here on the floor, and we're going to throw it back to the studio now.